Welcome back to Angela.S. Vlog. In my previous video, I show you guys how to make two kind of food. First of all is Cambodian crepes, and the second is chicken rice soup. And today I am going to show you guys another easy, simple, healthy food that you guys can make it at home. It is beef broccoli. Alright guys, let's come take a look how to make it. Alright guys, this is all the ingredients that we need for this easy and simple food. Okay, this is meat. I use beef, and then the vegetable right there is kind of broccoli leaf. So mainly I cut out the skin a little bit and then make it in small pieces, and then I put in the hot water like maybe a few minutes to just let it like a little bit not too fresh, not too cooked. Actually, it's just a little bit of cook. And then these are all the ingredients that I am going to use. First of all, again, it is chicken powder, salt. Right there is a black pepper. It's already ground. My mom sent it to me. And that one is a sugar, but I just put in that can. And then the next one is the oyster sauce, which is have the flavor for the food. And also the last thing is fish sauce. Alright guys, let's start cooking with me. Alright guys, so first of all we're gonna make the pan hot. Yeah, I like to use this kind of pan because it's deep inside, so easy for me to stir all the vegetable and the meat together. And after the pan hot, we will just use again olive oil. Maybe again guys, not too much, like maybe 2 teaspoons. Yeah, again it's just like to fry the garlic. And yeah, I have the garlic chopped earlier. Now it's already chopped. When the oil is getting hot, we will just put the garlic in the pan. Yeah, for this garlic guys, you might want to make it a little bit brown. So when it's turned brown, it's gonna make the smell better. For this kind of food, you can use many types of meat that you like. You can use chicken, again you can use pork, or yeah, mostly chicken and pork actually, and the beef. So it will be your optional. So I love beef, so I'm just gonna make beef for this one. Alright guys, right now the garlic it's become brown. So after garlic brown, yeah, you want to just put the beef first. Okay, I'm gonna put the beef first. Maybe you can just stir it a little bit. After you stir a little bit, yeah, you will start to add the ingredients in there. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use the fish sauce. Yeah, since I cook a lot, so I know how it is. So you guys might want to put like about just 2 teaspoons, not too much, because the oyster sauce is already salty in there. First of all, the chicken flowers. Chicken powder also has like salty in there, so you might don't want to put too much of the fish sauce. So since this is a small amount of food, I'm just gonna use maybe just 1.5 of the chicken powder. And then, yep, you can add the sugar. I like a little bit sweet, so I will just use 2 teaspoons of sugar. There you go. And then, again, with the oyster sauce. You might want to use like about 2 teaspoons for this one as well. And you might want to stir it a little bit so they won't cook at the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredient. I think for the salt, maybe not too much, it's just a very little bit, just to get like a flavor of salt. And black pepper, yeah, black pepper is really good for like fried food like this. Maybe you can add like a 1/4 tablespoon. And then this is all for the ingredient. You might want to just stir them together for a little bit. And guys, this is just a really small amount of food. You don't want to leave it too long before you put the vegetable, because if you put too long, the beef is going to be overcooked. So I'm going to start putting the vegetable in there. It's really and after that, guys, you just want to stir it, and then yeah, it's pretty much it for this kind of food. And after you guys kind of mix this all together like this, you guys just might want to try how it is, and you might can adjust the ingredients as you know, as how you like it. If you like it a little bit saltier, maybe you can add a little bit more of the fish sauce, or a little bit more of salt, and as well as sugar. If you like sweet, maybe you can add just a little bit more sugar. And I love sweet, so always. Look pretty good, guys. It's almost done. And guess what, guys? Do you know how much this costs? It costs like less than $10. Imagine if you go out for a meal, it at least costs you $30. But if you cook at home, it costs like $10, and then you can enjoy the healthy food. Why not, right? Alright guys, you know, after you mix them together for a while, you can see all the meat getting like absorb all the sauce that we put in, as well as the vegetable. You can see it's mixed together well, and then it's pretty much it. Okay, let me show you guys how it looks like right now. There you go, guys. Right now you can see, so everything is kind of blend together, the meat is cooked and the vegetable is cooked. You might don't want to leave it too long, okay? If it's too long, everything is gonna be overcooked. I think this is pretty good right now, so I am just gonna turn it off. There you go, and it's pretty much ready to serve. So mainly this kind of dish, it's going to go with rice. I love rice and it's good. Alright guys, come and try it with me, or you can make it and try it by yourself at home. Thank you guys for watching. Alright guys, here it is. Yep, look at this guys. It's look really nice, look really yummy, and it's healthy. Pretty much you got all kind of protein. We got some vegetable and protein in there too. It's good for your body. And alright guys, this is it for this easy quick video, and I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and make sure you press the bell button too so you won't miss any video. And again, thank you so much guys. Have a good day.
Remember, when you get to the door, they spray your hands with alcohol sanitizer, and you go inside.
Don't forget soy sauce. It's spicy guys.
Sheet between you and the immigration officer.